Alright, I'm going to show you guys how you can harvest your own seeds from foods that you get at the grocery store and that you eat all the time. This is a bell pepper. Just cut the top off like this, and then inside you can see all of the seeds. Pull the middle out, and look at that. Look at all of those seeds. And then you just take them off and let them dry out for a couple of days, and then you can plant them in your garden and grow your own bell peppers.
You are gonna make an easy vegan snack. You need a peel, some salt, and ice, and a cucumber, of course. Putting them in the compost. Now we have to cut the ends off because they're not good to eat. Now we have to cut them up. Not too much.
After you peeled your cucumber, but before you eat it, see these little seeds? You can take them out, just pull them out like that. Pull as many as you want out, and then let them dry for a couple of days. And you can plant cucumber seeds in your own garden.